You got hydrogen monoxide. This is a different program.
Or you can get your dihydrogen oxide.
I'll eliminate you with Why are you always smiling every time I say something?
Because you make me laugh, Dan. You make me laugh.
What about you?
I'm smiling.
Then why is she the scenery of an attraction on thought?
What? Say that again?
The scenery of thinking on thought. She's laughing. And you're just smiling.
I don't know. Sarah, what is it? It's kind of like the leaf, that we're all made a little different. Sarah laughs, I smile.
Oh, you figured it out. All different forms, shapes, and figures, and yet we're still all the same.
Yeah.
All the same elements as those three leaves are brought in there. That was what my purpose was, to educate, certain formalities of elements of molecular structure.